Before you start sewing on your B08, make sure to have the correct needle mounted. We recommend to change the needle frequently. The B08 uses HLX 5 needles. These needles are available in different sizes. It is recommended to change the needle regularly. A defective needle can cause skipped stitches, thread breakage, or damage the fabric. To change the needle, turn the machine off and unplug it. Lower the presser foot. Turn the screw counterclockwise to remove the needle. Insert the new needle with the flat side to the right, pushing it up as far as it will go. Tighten the screw firmly.